Alright, here's my 2009 Ducati Monster 1100. I just spooned on a set of Michelin Pilot Power 120/70 and a matching Pilot Power 180/55 on the back. Yes, I did buy these off of Amazon. Got a super great deal. They were, after taxes, they were still under $300. I would have had these next day. The shipper, I guess, is in Greenville, South Carolina, because the afternoon that I ordered this set of tires, these tires were sitting at the post office at the main location in Greenville, South Carolina, ready to go. I get my mail, comes from Greenville, South Carolina to Murphy, North Carolina. But the post office decided that these tires needed to go see Charlotte, North Carolina for a couple days, and then they bounced back to Greenville, South Carolina, and then they finally made it to Murphy, North Carolina. But yeah, I'm okay with that. I wasn't able to ride, and I can't really complain, right? Neither can you, because typically Amazon sends our products very quickly, no matter where we're at. These tires, the front one has a date code of 1823, 18th week of 2023. The rear tire has a date code of the 8th week of 2023. So they're right at 3 years old. That's good. Your tires shouldn't be over 5 years old. The Michelin Pilot Power for riding in Western North Carolina is probably the best tire on the planet, bar none. I love the Michelin Pilot Powers. I can't tell you how many sets that I go through, or how many I went through on this bike right here. That's a 2008 Ducati 848. When I was running Pilot Powers from about 2008 to about 2012, when they were originally making them, I was doing anywhere from 1,000 to 1,400 miles on a set of tires in the mountains. If any of you have ridden the Chirahela Skyway, you know what I'm talking about. That road gobbles up tires. I'm very happy. I'm very happy to see this tire on my Monster. I can't wait to try it out. It's replacing the Dunlop Road Sport 2s. I typically get about 2,000 miles out of those tires. I do like the Road Sports, but I know for a fact that those Michelin Pilot Powers are much, much more sticky up here. And do not confuse these tires with the Michelin Pilot Power 2CTs. I am personally not a fan of the 2CTs. The 2CTs were the tires that replaced this one and made me switch over to different tires. But the 2CTs had a softer rubber compound right here in this area where you have your chicken strips. That's where we typically ride. So after about 800 miles, my chicken strip here would be just bald as anything, and the center of my tire would look like it was brand new. So the 2CTs did not do me any favors up here. But the Michelin Pilot Powers, I can't think of a better tire that you could put on your bike. Even if you're just commuting, I don't see a need for you to have that 2CT tire, but that's just me. My preference is to have one compound on the whole tire. But anyway, thanks for watching this. Go out and get yourself a set of these. I guarantee you're going to be smiling as you're riding down the highway on new Michelins.